Welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife video on JAMF Teacher, an overview of the controls.
If we click onto our class, we should see the list of the learners that are in that class. I've got one in this test class at the moment, and the green dot tells me that that iPad is switched on and connected to Wi-Fi. First, let's look at the hand clap icon. If I click on this, I can get attention on that iPad. What this will do is essentially lock the screen and it can display a message. I'm going to type my message in, choose the time restriction and click apply.
And this is how it looks on the learner iPad. You'll see it'll open up JAMF Student and then display the message.
This will now lock that learner's iPad screen, and if I click done, you can see I've got a countdown of when that will come off. If I click on it and I need to remove it, I can click clear attention and that learner's iPad will be unlocked. The next icon lets me start a lesson. So if I've created some lesson templates over here, I can start those. For example, I might have a template ready where I want to restrict access to certain apps or only allow certain apps to appear for different lessons. The three-dot menu gives me some other options here. I can force install some apps onto the pupil iPad. I can enable or disable Bluetooth, and I can start clearing some of the restrictions or limitations that I've been setting. The next options here mean that I can start allowing certain websites, certain apps, or restrict the device functionality. At the moment, I'm on all students. If I clicked just one student, I could do those restrictions for just one of my learners in my classroom. You just click the plus and you follow the instructions on the screen to either add websites or allow certain apps. You can also change the time limitation for this and decide it to clear after a certain amount of time. When your class is finished, click Leave Class and you get the option to clear restrictions. So anything that you've set during that lesson will be cleared as they move on to their next class.